Today we are going to make eggplant sambal balado. So, sambal balado is a very versatile chili tomato based sauce that you can add it with, say, eggplant, which is what we're doing today, ladyfingers, eggs, or even meat if you're a meat eater. Today we will need eggplant, some tomatoes, some fresh red chilies, small red onions, garlic, kaffir lime leaf. So kaffir lime leaf is very commonly used in Southeast Asian cuisine. Maybe you'll see it in like your Thai food. Indonesian, Malaysian food also use a lot of kaffir lime leaf. So this is like the magic ingredient. You can also add this to rice. If you ever wonder why in some Thai restaurant why their rice is so fragrant, that's because they cook it with lime leaf. We have some small red onions here. Just need to cut them into slightly smaller pieces. And here are some fresh red chilies. We don't have to cut it too small because we're going to blend everything together in a bit. Finally, some brinjals or eggplant. I'm using the long eggplant here. Just cut away the tip, and then we cut it lengthwise and quarter it. So into strips like this. Alright, next we will fry up some of the ingredients. Now in a hot pan, we add 2 tablespoons of oil. Adding first our chopped up chilies, garlic, and small red onion. Garlic, you don't have to chop it up. You just need to put it all in. Fry this up for at least like 3-4 minutes. Okay, once you start to see that, some of the red onion is turning golden brown, your chili looks a little bit more wrinkled, smells really good in your kitchen, like popping. Right now we add in our tomato. Now if you are somebody who really likes spicy food, go ahead tossing maybe 1 or 2 small red chili or more of this bigger fresh red chili. If not, this is like a good level of heat. But if you really cannot tolerate too much spice, then feel free to reduce the red chili. Probably you need 1 or 2 tries with this recipe to know how you really like it. Alright, looking good. Now just stop the flame. Alright. Now we just transfer it into a blender. Now we just blend this away. Now this step is really up to you how chunky or how fine you want your base to be. I prefer it to be more like a sauce, so I make it pretty fine. Now we're going to put the sauce back into the same pan and cook it once again. Scrape down the sides a little bit because flavor, the fond is on the side. We do this on fairly low heat. Now we put in some of the kaffir lime leaf, probably about like 6 leaves. Tear it slightly, add it in. By tearing it, you will help the leaf to release its fragrance. Smells real good. Oops, there were some problems with the recording, so VoiceOver Cat will take over now. Moving on. Now let's season the sauce. Add half a teaspoon of white pepper, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, and a nice pinch of sugar. Mix well and give it a taste. As you can tell, I was very pleased with the taste. Okay, now let's set the sauce aside and we will fry up the eggplants. Deep fry the eggplants until golden brown.
It's the money.
Finally, toss the eggplants and the balado sauce into a bowl and mix it well. Garnish with some thinly sliced kaffir lime leaves and serve. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like it, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!